अमरूद गोवा. अमरूद गोवा.
अमरूद गोवा. गोवा. अंगूर. अनार. अनानास. पाइनएप्पल.
That's all. Anar pomegranate you said. Kharbuja. Kharbuja did you say? Yes, Adayana. Kharbuja. Muskmelon. Muskmelon. Very good, ma. Satvik. Very good. Satvik. Come on. Yeah, open your book, page number 56. Take this page. Phal. Phal means fruits. Phal. Okay? Come on, take the book and you have to read all the fruits. Come on. Whatever I taught you, you read. Santra, orange. Okay, whatever you know, you read.
Save, apple. Kela, banana. Tantra, orange. Anar, pomor.
What, ma?
Anar. Anar.
What is anar?
Pomegranate.
Then?
Karbuja.
Tarbuja. Sai Charan, what are you doing, Sai Charan? Don't do anything with your laptop, ma, okay?
Papita, papaya.
Grapes.
Angur, grape.
Goa.
Goa. Amrud.
Goa. Very good, Satvik. Very good. Lakshraj, namaste. Namaste. Take page number 56. Yeah, namaste, Lakshraj. Take page number 56. And then you are going to name all the phal, fruit. Come on. Phal, fruits.
Yes.
Mango.
Mango. Kharbuza, papaya, papita. Kharbuza, watermelon. Kela, banana. Santra, orange. Save, apple. Amrut, Goa. Angur, grapes. Kharbuza, sweet melon.
Okay. Muskmelon.
Pomegranate. Ananas, pineapple.
Very good, Malakshraj. Well done. Okay, next is Arjun. Namaste. Arjun, namaste. Yeah, come on, Arjun. Take page number 56 in your book. Phal. You have to read all the phal from this page. Whatever I taught you, you have to tell me now. Page number 56.
Mango.
Mm.
Kela, banana.
Mm.
Save, apple.
Mm.
Angur. Grape. Angur, grape. Ananas. Pomegranate. Science.
Hmm.
Anna.
Hmm.
Anna's pineapple.
Okay, Goa. Goa.
Amor.
Amrud, Goa.
Amorut Goa.
Goa. Okay, children, we'll start our session. It's already time up. Okay, namaste, bachcho. Say namaste, Guruji. Unmute and tell me namaste, Guruji.
Namaste, Guruji.
Yeah, very good. Namaste, Guruji, ma'am.
Namaste,
Only namaste, Guruji. Okay? Okay, very good, children. Now mute yourself. Children, now we are going to play a game, okay? We have learnt about Swar and Vyanjan. Okay, Vyanjan we have learned 5 letters and Swar we have finished off fully. Okay, now ma'am is going to write the word and you are going to identify whether it is a Swar or Vyanjan. Yes, are you all ready?
Yes, lady ma'am. Thumbs up.
Yeah, Swar or Vyanjan. You have to identify it, okay? What is this word? Swar or Vyanjan? Swar or Vyanjan? Who is going to? Swar. Very good, Gritvik. Gritvik gets a star. Okay. Now next is what is this? Swar or Vyanjan? Vyanjan. Very good. Who said this answer? Who said? Dayananda. Very good. Very good. Gritvik, all the answers should not say Gritvik. You have to give chance for others also. Okay, next is. Hmm. Swar. Very good, Roshan. What letter is this? E. Very good. Okay, next is.
Vincent.
Very good, Lakshraj. What letter is this? Vyanjan only. What letter is this? Ka. Very good. Okay, next is. What is this?
Swan.
Swar. What letter? Sai Charan, say what letter is this?
लेटर कोणतं ते सांग इकडे बघ सांग
Huh? Nyava. Huh? Ru say Rishi Ru. Okay. Next one. This one. This one. Who is going to say? Swar or Vyanjan? Huh? What? Vyanjan. Very good, Roshan. What letter is this? Vyanjan only. What letter is this? Ga. Very good. Very good, ma. Okay, next is. What is this? I swear. Very good. I swear. I say Ainak. Okay. Next one is. E. Vyanjan. What letter is this, Sai Charan? Ga. Ga say. Ga say. Gar. Okay. Very good. What is this? Others answer. Satvik, Dayanand, Arjun. Answer. Swar or Vyanjan? Swar or Vyanjan? Oo. Swar. Oo letter belongs to swar. Okay. What is this?
Vyanjan.
Hmm?
Vyanjan.
Yanjan. Okay, what letter is this? Ang. Very good, Lakshraj and Sai Charan. Okay.
This is giving to you, ma'am.
Yeah, namaste. Nigel. What is it? Swear. What letter is this? What letter is this? Huh? Very good, Satvik. Oh, say Okali. Very good. Now, all of you take your textbook. I want you to take your textbook. All of you take your textbook.
Text number
Textbook
one.
from A. Take the A page. Say Anar page you will have. Okay. This page. Who is going to read this page?
Sai Charan, ma'am.
Who is going to read?
Sai Charan.
Okay, come on, Sai Charan. Sai Charan, come on. Look at your book and read. Say.
Say.
Say Ama. Say Am, is it?
No.
Then, what are you doing first? Say Am only. Say. What is this?
Say pomegranate.
Say pomegranate. You will say like this, Sai Charan. What happened to you? Come on, Lakshraj, read this page.
Say anar. Say ananas. Say it's color. Amli.
Say Adrak. Adrak.
Adlak.
And this is Amrud.
Angrud.
Amrud. Amrud. Not Angrud. Amrud. Amrud. Okay. Next, who is going to read? Grithvik. Come on, Grithvik.
Say alu. Say am.
Say Ari.
Say ari.
Say. What is this? Adu. Peach.
Adu. Peach.
This one. Say Ag.
Fire.
Very good. Ag. Fire. Very good. Next, who is going to read for E? Who is going to read Roshan? E say. What are the pictures you know here, Roshan? That you read? The one which you don't know, I will teach you. What do you know in E? Say. Unmute and say, ma. Roshan, unmute yourself. Say Imali. Okay, Imali. Then say Imarat. Where is Imarat? Where is Imarat? Okay, say Imli only, you know it, right? Okay, now I'll teach you, okay? Say Itr. Itr means perfume. Yes? Say Itr. Say Imarat. Say Ilaichi. And say Imli. Okay? Say Itr. Say Imarat. Say Ilaichi. Say Imli. Okay, now you tell me. Now you tell me. Say. What all you know, you say. No issues. Okay, Imli you know. Say Imli. Okay, next. What is this? What is it? Ilaichi. Ilaichi. Okay, then say this one. Imarat.
Imarat.
Imarat, building. Okay. E say itr, perfume. Okay. Next, E, who is going to read? Dayanand. Read E, ma. Dayanand. E say. E say. Eek. Okay. Next, E say. Next, E say. What is this? Only two pictures we learnt, I think. E say eek and E say eid. Yes? E say eek, E say eid. Eid. Okay, very good. Next one. Ooh. Who is going to read for oo? Who is going to read for oo? Ullu, Upahar. Okay. Okay, Lakshra, come on. Oo say.
Use. Ullu.
Ullu. Oo say.
Use. Ba.
Upahar. Upahar.
Bahar.
Next, oo say.
Use. Usta.
Ustaja. Ustaj is there? No, I didn't teach you Ustaj. Upavan. Who say Upavan? What is Upavan? See here. What is Upavan, ma? Yeah, play area, garden, whatever. And then who say Utsav? Okay, what Utsav we are going to celebrate now? Okay.
Diwali.
Yeah, that is Diwali is a festival, right? Likewise, Utsav means festival in Hindi. Sorry, festival means Utsav in Hindi. Okay, Utsav festival. Okay.
Sir.
Who say Ullu? Who say Upahar? Gift. You will get gift for your birthdays and all, right? Who say Upahar? Who say Upavan? You'll go and play in the park and all, right? Park, garden and all you'll play, right? That place. Park. Who say Upavan? And then who say Utsav?
Sir.
Gritvik. Who say Utsav? Gritvik.
Use. Uttav.
Utsav. What is this? What is this? Upavan.
Uttavan.
Upavan.
Uttavan.
Upahar. Upahar. Gift. Ullu. Owl.
Wow.
Okay. And then who say only one. This and this like that. Who say oon. Who say oon. What is oon, children? Oon means wool. Who say oon. Okay. And then who say ood bilav. What is ood bilav? See here. What is ood bilav, children? Snaila. Snaila. Does it look like snail? It's a seal, right? Yes or no? Seal, yeah. Ood bilav. Okay? And then oon. Who say oon. Who say ood bilav. Okay? Who say oon. Who say ood bilav. Okay? And then R say Rishi. You all know that. R say Rishi. Okay? And then A say. A say. A say. What is this? A say. AD. Okay, AD is here. What is this? We'll count, no? A say. Ek. This is ek. In Hindi, we write number 1 like this. Okay? In Hindi, we write number 1 like this. So this is ek. And then AD. A say ek. A say AD. And then A say ektara. Okay? A say ek. A say AD. And A say ektara. Okay? Yes, we all had a confusion in iktara or yektara, right? Already we did one activity. So A say ektara. Okay, children? So who is going to say this one now? A say?
Me.
Yeah, Nivin.
Ek.
A say?
Ek.
Ek. Okay. A say? AD. Very good. A say?
Ektara.
Ektara. Very good. A say ektara. Okay, next page. I. I say. I say. What is it? I say. Ainak. Very good. I say. Ainak. And then I say ambulance.
Ambulance.
Here. Ambulance. Ambulance. And then I say Airavat. I say Airavat. Okay. I say Ainak. I say ambulance. I say Airavat. Okay. And then wo. Wo say. What do you know from here? O say. Yes, Kumaran. O say. Okali. Where is Okali? Where is Okali? Show me where is Okali in your book. Yeah, very good. O say Okali. And then O say won't. Won't is here. Where is won't? Here. Won't lips. Okay. And then O say Odni. This girl is wearing on her head, no? One cloth. That is Odni. O say Odni. Okay. O say Odni. O say Okali. And then O say won't. Okay. And then out. On the next page, take out. Ow say. What all is here? Who is going to tell me now? Okay. Ow say aurat. Then what is this? Ow say aushadi. Ow say aurat. Ow say aushadi. Ow say aurat. Ow say aushadi. What is aushadi, children? Sorry, here. What is aushadi? Yeah, medicines. When you fall sick, you need medicines, right? That is aushadi. Okay. And then auzar. What is auzar? Here you have auzar. What is it? What is this auzar, ma? For what you'll use this? Tools. Okay, for what you'll use these tools? Auzar. To build building. Then and then for what you'll use this auzar? All these tools. Not only a single one. All these tools name is auzar. Okay, breaking. And then for what you'll use? Fashion set for building. And then you have a spanner here. For what you'll use this? For what you will use this? Anyone has seen anyone using this? Yes? Community helpers also you would have read, right? Yes, for what they will use this? Who will use this? Yeah, very good. Very good, children. This is Auzar. Okay, very good. Auzar. Okay. Ause, Aushadi, medicine. Ause, Auzar, tools. Ause, Aurat, women. Okay. Ause, Aurat, women. Next one. Aushadalai is also here. What do you mean by Aushadalai? Here you have Aushadalai. What is Aushadalai? Yeah, chemist shop or medical shop. Okay, Aushadalai. Okay. And then Angse. Angse.
Angur.
Okay, Angur. Next, what you know, Angse? Here you have one thing. What is this? Anda. Very good. Sorry, Angse, Angur, Angse, Anda. Okay. And then, aha. This we no need. And then, okay, all of you take this page, ma. Who is going to read this page? What letter is this? What letter? Okay. What letter is this? Those who didn't read today, Arjun didn't read, Satvik didn't read. Okay, come on, Arjun. Arjun is going to read this page. Arjun. Mm. Mm. Mm.
Mummy.
Hmm. What is this? Kathal. Very good. Very good, Arjun. Well done, Arjun. Okay, next is this letter. Who is going to read? This one Satvik is going to read. Come on, Satvik. Grithik, you already answered many times, okay? Lakshraj, Grithik, all answered. Roshan, all of you answered many times. So now for the one those who didn't answer, okay? Next is Satvik. How will you pronounce this ka, ma? कैसे कहते हैं? ख, ख. Stress and pronounce. ख. हाँ, ख से. हाँ, ख से.
Katmal.
हाँ, okay. ख से.
Katmal.
हाँ, next one. ख से. खरबूजा. That's correct only, no? Kharbuja. Okay, Nivin, come on, read this. Very good, Satvik. Nivin, read this, ma. Read this page. Kha se. Nivin, unmute and read, Nivin. Kha se. Mm. What is this? Huh? Kharbuja. Oh my God. Khargosh. Khargosh. Ah, Khargosh. This one. Kha se. Khatmal.
Katmal.
Ah, kha se. Kharbuja.
Karbosa.
Very good. Okay, next is Ga. Who is going to read Ga? Who is going to read Ga? Let me see. Kumaran. Come on, read.
Yes, ma'am.
Ga se.
Gaj.
Gajja. No. Gada. Ga se. Gada.
Pada.
Next Ga se. Ga se. Gamla.
Kabula.
Ga se Gaj. Ga se Gada. Okay? Who is going to read next? Roshan, come on, read this page, ma. Roshan. Gada. Ga se. Ga se Gada. Next, Ga se. Gamla. Gamla. Not Gamala. Gamla. Okay, next one. Ga se.
Gaj.
Gaj. Okay, this one. Ga se. Where is it? Gada. Wow, okay, Gada. Okay, this is Gada. Okay. Next one. Gha. Who is going to read this page? Okay, Lakshraj, come on. Gha.
Girl say
Gha
girl.
se Gar. Okay, next.
Gully.
Gadi. Next. Ga se.
Girl say gala.
Kala. Sorry, gun. Gun. This one, ma. Gun. Okay, next one. Ga se. Ghada.
Gala.
Gada. Okay, very good. And then last. Gadial, I didn't teach you, okay? And then this one. This is Ang. Final word Ang. And now we are going to write this in your notebook, okay? Take page number. Writing book, candy notebook you have, right? This page number 29. This page. Page number 29. Yeah. Before writing this page, you see here above, there are some pictures given. Okay, children. So you have to tick the correct word, correct letter for that picture. So this is Gar. You can see this is Gar. So what letter will come correctly? This one or this one?
Girl.
Which Gar? Okay, I'll write and show you what you have to take. Okay. Gha, second Ga, you have to take it in that box. Okay. Should not tick ka, children. It's ga. This ga you will take. Have to take this one for that gar, house. Okay? And the next one you have gaj. Two boxes are here. One is gaj, one is ga, and the other one is kha is written. Okay, now which is the correct word for that? Gaj is given, no? This one? You have gaj. Yes. Which is the correct one? First one or second one? First one or second one? Which is the correct one, Arjun?
Gas. First.
Arjun, which is the correct one? This one or this one? First one. So you will take the first one. Okay? You will take the first one. Just say gamla ga. You will take that. Okay? And the next box is, what is this? What is this, children?
Khargosh.
Khargosh. So what word you have to take? Have two boxes. Okay, Roshan, which will you take, ma? This ka or this kha? Which kha say Khargosh will come? Which ka? This one or this one?
Second.
Very good, Roshan. Second one. So you will take the second one. Okay? Now next one. Sorry, this one. What is this picture? What is this, ma? What picture is this?
Kabutar.
Diana, mute yourself, ma. What is this? What picture is this? Who is going to say this? Nivin. What is this, ma, Nivin? See what? See here. Yes? This kabutar, not kabutar. Kabutar. Okay. So which ka you will be? Ka or ga? Which will be the right answer? Okay, which is the right answer? This one or this one?
This one.
Second one or first one? First one or second one? Second one. Very good. Ka say kabutar. You have to tick this ka. Okay. And next we have a watch picture here. What comes for watch? What is this in Hindi? How do you say this in Hindi?
Gadi.
Gadi. Very good, Lakshraj. Okay, now Gadi, what letter you will take? You have Kha and G.
Second one, ma'am.
Very good, Lakshraj. Kha, Kha and G. So, which is the correct answer? Gha say Gadi. So, you will take this G. Okay? Take it correctly, children. Gha say Gadi. Okay? And last one, you have a lotus picture here. What do you say it in Hindi? This one, what do you say? What do you say this in Hindi, ma?
Kamal.
Kamal. Okay. What will you take the right answer is? This one or this one? Which is the right answer?
Second one.
First one or second one? Very good, Arjun. Second one. Tick that ka. Okay. Now start writing this. Write today's date and write. Okay. Don't forget to write the date. Today's date is 12/11/2020. Yes, it's easy only. Write fast. This. Ang. Okay. Nivin. You're not writing, Nivin? This that book only, page number 29. We have did one exercise now, right? Below that exercise, you will have these letters. You write. Satvik, are you writing, Satvik?
This one.
Hmm?
Writing this one, ma'am.
Which one, ma'am?
Letter. I writing letter, ma'am.
Okay, right. Arjun, what is this, Arjun? Right? Ritvik. Right, ma, Ritvik?
Not, ma'am. I writing nothing, ma'am.
Writing nothing, why? Why you are not writing anything?
Writing, ma'am.
For whom? For whom you are waiting? For what?
For me.
Where is your pencil, Ritvik? Take your pencil and write. Right. Start writing.
Writing started, ma'am.
Okay, start. Rakshaj, finish.
Not it, ma'am.
Kumaran, are you writing, ma? Kumara Guru Baran,
Ma'am.
are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. Can't see you writing any. Right.
I don't know.
Yes, Dayanand. Finish, Dayanand. Finish writing ang letter.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry.
Yes.
Finished. No. That exercise we finished. Below that you have some letters, right? That you have to write. That also finished.
Letters finished.
Very good. Okay, if you have finished, good.
Finished already.
Letters already you wrote. Okay. Okay, Dayanand.
I finished, ma'am.
Very good, Satvik. Show me your notebook. Closer. Yes, good. Very good, Satvik. Well done. Very good.
Write answer.
Yeah, very good. Good boy. Next, who else? Follow the line and write, children. Dayanand finish. Satvik finish. Arjun also va? Finish?
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Arjun. Very fast you have written. Very good boy. Well done. Good. Ritvik also va? Roshan.
Finished, ma'am.
Very good. Lakshraj finish. Good. Well done, Lakshraj. Good boy.
Thank you, ma'am.
Roshan. Yeah, well good. Roshan. Nivin. Nivin
Finish.
finish. Show me. Show me how you have written. Hi, lying to me. Show me how you have written. I can't see Nivin. Have finished? Show it to your mama whether it is correct what you have written. Roshan finish. Good.
Not
Still, how much you have to write? Finished. Very good boy. Notebook you are writing, huh? Is he writing in his notebook? Not in this book, huh?
Yes, ma'am. Still we didn't receive
Okay,
the
okay.
courier.
Okay, no issues. Very good, Roshan. Well done. Okay, children. Thank you so much for your cooperation. Bye, children. Shukriya.
Shukriya.
Very Shukriya. Yeah, bye, Lakshraj. Bye, ma. Shukriya. Yeah, Shukriya.
Happy
Bye.